5 interesting facts about echolocation in bats. Tongue clicks. Some bats use their tongues to make clicks, while others use their larynx, both mouthful sounds. Frequency flares. Bats change frequency for hunting. Navigation or communication, using different calls. Doppler shift. Bats use the Doppler effect to measure speed and distance, like a sonic radar. Pinpoint precision. Bats can detect insects like mosquitoes and human hair with precise sonar vision. Brain mapping. Bats see sound in 3D, creating maps of their surroundings, like a built-in sonar system